superstar. I'm a superstar.
चालू
चेक करके देता हूँ
चेक करो
इसको बोलना ऑडियो चेक कराएगा सब
Check. Audio check.
ऑडियो
Check. Testing. 1, 2. Testing. Hey. 1, 2. सही है?
सही है एकदम कड़क
Check.
ठीक है
Hey. 1, 2. Testing. Hey. 1, 2. आप अकेले बोल रहे हो बढ़ाने के लिए, बाकी सबके लिए सही है.
कैमरे से बढ़ा लेना बेटा क्या है इतना
Check. Testing. 1, 2. Okay.
ओके डन
Okay.
ले लो शॉट
चेक करके रखो
पास करना बाहर पास ये आगे से ले चलेगा दे दे हाँ नीचे वायर फंसेगा इधर आ रहा जा रहा है
पूछना फोन लगा ना मेरे को हेडफोन चाहिए यार ये मजा नहीं आ रहा क्या
पैसे जाना खर्च ऑडियो भी सही आ रहा है रख दे मत लाइट बढ़ाना बोला
ये ऑफ है क्या
गेना हाँ वही उसको बोला मैंने बहुत चमक रहा है संभाल को मदर दादा सॉरी क्या
हुआ ये लगाना है इनमें नहीं लगाया आ रही है मेरा इन हाउस है इसके लिए लाइव करना थोड़ा इन हाउस है तेरा हां दे ये लगा 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 देना आएगा ना सही लगा देना इसको बोलो मुझे डाल दे वो 5 मिनट
अरे आ गया उसमें 5 मिनट में गया अंदर आ गया वो लाइट नहीं लेके गया बता ना मारा लेना बता रहा ना रवि नीला नीला छोड़ दे नील को लाइट लाइट अजहर अरे बैठ ना ये वो भाई आ गया अरे स्टील लाना स्टील अभी
यार मैं बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटी दूंगा प्लीज लेट मी हैव एवरीवन सीटेड सो दैट आई कैन स्टार्ट लीविंग आई गिव लॉट्स ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज टू
अरमान कोहली अरे वही
and gentlemen, second time this year I'm getting this opportunity. It looks fantastically huge. And welcome everyone. So we're going to come to Prem Ratan Dhan Payo in just a bit. But before that, while I can have some silence, it would be very nice. Sonam, you look too gorgeous. You'll have to take a seat, then I'll allow them to take more. Good afternoon, sir.
I'm assuming that is what he means by being generous. Surely, I'm sure you can do it better than that. But maybe we'll hold it till the real talent comes here. Friends from the media, thank you very much. Today is a very special day for all of us at Fox Star Studios. You'll have to all settle down. We can only start if you guys all settle down. It's special for some very, very obvious reasons. It's all about lots of hearts being won in a very, very big way. And trust me, it doesn't get bigger than that. What more do we want? We've got Salman Khan. And I believe that there is no other actor in India who has the ability to influence and win hearts like he does. And I think that deserves a big round of clap. Surely you can give out a bigger than what you gave me. And then you have a fantastic relationship and association with Surajji and Rajshri Films and Salman coming back after 16 years. Guys, put your hands together. 16 years. And it only gets better. Here comes a very special film on a very special day. The biggest festival, Diwali. So ladies and gentlemen, I know you're waiting to hear more. I'm going to now request Kamal Babu to please come on the stage. And a big round of applause for him, please.
Friends, a very hearty welcome to all of you on behalf of Rajshri Films at this first look trailer launch of our most ambitious and prestigious movie, Prem Ratan Dhan Payo. We have a very talented production unit, and under the captaincy of Suraj, all the unit members have labored very hard and given their best. We are also grateful to Foxstar Studios for all the support and cooperation extended to us. We earnestly seek your good wishes and blessings.
Thank you very much, sir. And I would like to now invite a man so special. I'll tell you why. I have a small story I want to share before I call him on stage. So this is about 5 or 6 years ago. I'd forgotten to get my pants. I normally wear only shorts. And I landed up for an interview with this gentleman. And he was so sweet. He said, doesn't matter, hum log sirf mid-short mein le lenge. And we took the interview with sir. After so many years, I met him again. He's still so gracious, and I would like to call him on stage. He's somebody who's created all this, somebody who you all have loved for so many years. Surajji, please do come on stage.
Thank you everyone for being here.
काम का टाइम पे तेरे आगे से जा रहा है क्या?
And before we introduce this film, I like to call some of my technicians who are here, because over the years I've realized that directed by has no meaning. We direct together. So can I have Ishaji, our lyricist? Maniji, our DOP, please. Nitin ji, production design. Jitu ji, sound design. I think my editor is not here. Is he here, Sanjay ji? Decades ago, Meera ji wrote a bhajan. Payo ji maine Ram Ratan Payo. And in that poem, such a beautiful couplet is there which says that ये जो धन है, उसको जितना खर्च करो, या चोर जितना भी लूटे, ये बढ़ता ही जाता है. So that is what really inspired all of us to make this film. That this dhan of unconditional love which we all deserve to give and to get, that is humanity. That is what we are born for. And I have to thank Irshad ji for that couplet which he wrote. That sukh dukh chhote, dhan bhi chhota, jhoothi moh maya, and sacha man ka wo kona, jahan prem ratan. So thank you everyone. Thank you Ishrat ji. Thank you Jiti ji. Thank you Mani ji. Thank you. And now to call upon the one who is our Dhan. And Dhan in such abundance that not only us, to the world he has shared and he has won. The one I met 27 years ago. And we were, I think, just 20 when we started. And we made our mistakes together. We made our fun together. We did everything together. And even now, when I'm lining up a shot, he knows what is going to be taken. When he's giving a shot, I know what he's going to do. And he's everything to me and Mr. Salman.
Would you like to say something, sir?
Said everything.
Yes. All right, so
You can't beat this.
Narrate this subject to Salman Bhai.
Silence.
Very hesitantly, I told him, Salman Bhai, ये title रख रहा हूँ प्रेम रतन धन पायो. So nice close-up of silence. And he said, सूरज कोई और डायरेक्टर होता बाहर फिकवा देते. But you, this name. So that is what he is to all of us.
Audio.
27 years ago we met. I did my share of mistakes, he did not do it. And we did not do everything together. He's, from the day we met each other, it's just a bond. And I've worked with a lot of directors, I've worked with a lot of people, but the love and the fondness and the respect that I have for Suraj, I don't think I have for him. And today I think that there have been lots of directors, lots of them in our film industry. I am fortunate, न बोलते हैं कि इसके साथ काम कर लेना चाहिए था, उसके साथ काम कर लेना चाहिए था. You know, people living, people no more. I'm happy that I worked with one person, and that is Suraj Bajaj. As a director, as a human being, there is nobody better in this world than Suraj Babu. हम लोग यहाँ पे चश्मा लगा लेंगे, वो बेल्ट का स्टेप कर लेंगे, छोटी छोटी चीज़ें स्टाइल में आ जाएंगी, हेयर स्टाइल आ जाएगा. This man, when you leave the theater, he makes you a better man when you leave the theater. And that hangover lasts for the longest time. When this man directs a movie, भाई that's license है उसके लिए. When Suraj Babu directs a movie, there's so much of niceness, there's so much of purity. Because he has seen that life. When he comes to action, when he comes to the negative side of writing dialogues, he's at sea because he's not seen that side at all. So when you see his movies, he brings back our culture, our Hindustani sabhyata that we keep on losing. He keeps on, drawing us back to that. He keeps on drawing us back to our morals, to our roots. I think there is no director, no human being better than Suraj Bajaj.
that was wonderful, sir. Nice. But big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, sir.
ऑडियो में
कितना जन बैठा है, कितना शेयर लगा?
भाई बैठेगी ना, इतना 8-10 जन बैठेगी। 13 साल बाद आए, कुछ तो समझा करो। हाँ क्या 27 साल बाद आए।
27 जन बैठेंगे।
हाँ बहुत खर है यार।
27 साल बाद जरूर खड़े रहना। 27 लोग बैठेंगे।
अरे प्रभात ऑडियो नॉट ऑडियो
That, ladies and gentlemen, was not too bad. Let's have a big round of applause even while you do click, Salman sir.
अरे बैठे बाबा।
Ah. Swaraji makes a grand entry.
अरे किसका साउंड चल रहा है? किसका म्यूजिक बज रहा है? अरे वही बजा रहा है।
तो बज रहा है।
And Bhushan ji as well.
चंदन का ऑडियो बज रहा है क्या इधर? नहीं वाई निकल गया।
अरे उधर से कर करे, वाई का नहीं, उधर से नहीं ना, उधर से कर करे।
क्या गाना बजा रहा है क्या मालूम?
उधर से कर रहा है।
सीरीज का ही है। अरे वहाँ पे करना है, पर्दे पे वाली।
So what I'd like to do now is call everybody back on stage so that we can have a large photo op for everyone right in the middle. And this is a very good looking cast, so first we'll follow the primary members. Vijay sir, would you please come back on stage? Kamal Babu, please. We'd like to call you back on stage. Suraj ji. Salman sir. Yes, okay. And of course, I haven't had the opportunity to introduce everyone to the gorgeous Sonam Kapoor. Sonam, could I please have you on stage? It would be lovely. How gorgeous are you looking in the film? And continue to hear as well. And Bhushan ji, would you please come on stage as well? And we'll wait for 1 second while.
ए बैठिए भाई, स्टिल।
We'll have a little photo op till then. Till Salman sir comes back.
सलमान भाई सेंटर सेंटर
मुंबई। अरे बैठ जा।
वो देख सोना
अरे स्टिल थोड़ा बैठ जा, हम लोग लेने दो। अरे ब्लू टी शर्ट, अरे ब्लू टी शर्ट बैठो,
बैठना नीचे भाई, ये फोटो
लेने दो।
ऑडियो क्या ऑडियो चाहिए तेरे को बे? फोटो का ऑडियो चाहिए क्या?
बैठ जा भाई, स्टिल
स्टिल बैठ जाओ अभी यार।
अच्छा, कास्ट अभी थोड़ी अधूरी है, मेरे को और भी लोगों को स्टेज पे बुलाना है, तो बुला लूं क्या? शुक्रिया। अनुपम जी सर, if you could please come on stage. Neil, Nitin, Mukesh, Kapwa as always. And in no particular order of reference. दीपक दोबरियाल जी आ जाइए सब स्टेज पर। पप्पी जी कैसे हैं?
पप्पी जी।
स्वरा जी आप भी आ जाइए स्टेज पे। एंड अरमान जी, I love the shoes, प्लीज आ जाइए स्टेज पे। This is a extremely large and good looking cast. Now please fire away photographs.
अरे यार आजाद, अरे बैठो ना आजाद।
Involved in the film also.
मुंबई सिटी,
It's a flash of color, I love it.
ब्लू टी शर्ट, मुंबई सिटी।
ये डेमो
मोबाइल, ए चाइना मोबाइल खाली नीचे रख। अरे ब्लू टी शर्ट है।
अरे बैठ जाइए, बैठे मोबाइल।
Just watch that backdrop at the back. Already मेरे पर almost गिर गया था. Now I'd like to give all the mics. Yes. All the goodies. And then please take the seat.
ये बैठना तब खड़ा हो गया।
यार कुछ और ही बजा रहा है यार इसके अंदर सब।
When you're watching the trailer. So the entire bit of being cast in a Rajshri film How did that work out? Was that बचपन का एक dream जो पूरा हो गया?
ऑडियो
नहीं आ रहा है।
1 second.
यार पीछे कौन है? साइलेंस करो थोड़ा।
आगे भेज दो। अरे आई
ऑडियो ऑडियो ऑडियो
Hello.
ऑडियो
I think Suraj should actually tell you all the story of casting me.
No, first you will tell us the experience of coming on board, and then of course I will redirect to Surajji. So you get the call, and then you suddenly say, "Oh my God, I'm going to be the Rashtriya heroine with Salman Khan." So let's talk about that.
I think it's obviously an amazing. I'm very privileged to have been. And I think everybody in the media except for Salman knows that I've been a huge fan of his since I was like, since a really long time. And nothing has changed. And he obviously doesn't read my interviews, but I've been a huge fan of his. So I was a bit nervous. And so, I mean, it was a little intimidating for me to be on this set, but I was also I was very excited and nervous, and but I never felt that after the first couple of days of working with them, because Suraj sir gave me so much love, and I felt so cherished on that set that it didn't, like, it was such a huge deal, but it didn't feel like it. I just felt like I belonged there. I felt like I was part of the family. So, yeah.
So tell me something.
Huh.
Is it very scary to lose your temper on a Suraj Barjatia set?
I don't
Because
know.
I'm sure that nobody does.
Yeah. Nobody knows, but he didn't lose his temper either, because work with him on an ad shoot is completely different. But I think everybody on the set is amazing, and everybody really wanted to be there, so we all really worked hard and we were happy to be there, so it was the best experience working on the film.
Surajji, everything is so grand, it's so beautiful. Everything works at the box office, and this one will also completely, there's no question about it. But how do you maintain decorum, and how is it always the same for so many years? Salman sir said it himself, not much has changed. The way we're seeing it, not much has changed, it looks all beautiful. But how is it maintained with so many people on the set? Must be 500 extras as well, dancers and everyone.
I think because being grown up only in big families, so you know how to take everyone along, and then you have to manage him, you have to wake him up. And then you have such talent, you have Anupam sir, Neil. Half the time, Swara, you're not directing them, they do their own bit, you just write a good scene. But when you make a family film, it is family, and family works in you. You have, and that's what it's all about. Whether हम लोग रामायण पाठ करते हैं, हम भागवत कथा रखते हैं, but you go out for a dinner with the family, enjoy it. So the same prasad. So that's what all my films are, and somehow I'm able to take it along.
Okay, one big question the world wanted to know, that beautiful electric blue or whatever the color it was of that Sherwani was fantastic. It took everyone's imagination by storm. Did you choose that color, or there other colors that you were thinking of?
I think we chose my choreographers, my DOP. We all chose Alvira, Ashley, and of course it took us a month to choose. But blue shade, blue, white, blue, white, blue.
You know,
white.
I can't find that color anywhere. I've tried to look and see it. You know, sometimes you see the trailer with us only, and that's the way it works. What was the first reaction that you had when you saw the teaser poster? Then of course there's another one that came with you and Sonam, that's there at the back. But is a homecoming, yes, but there's so much. So, sorry?
After he saw it,
He decided. Just my back. So what is this? What is the deal with the teaser poster where it has to come? Why don't we see your face a lot? In Bajrangi it was your lips and it was that locket. Here it was your back.
That is working.
Anupam ji, this shoulder of baggage of acting talent that you carry with you. So when you come onto a set like this, and as Surajji said, everyone was doing their own stuff, as he so modestly put it. So coming into this zone and this fabulously grand film, you know, your thoughts, you got Salman sir there, you got Sonam, you got Neil, you got Maan, you got all these powerhouse of acting talent. So How do you experience every day? Is it a challenging thing at all for you anymore?
To answer your first part of the question is that I don't carry the burden of being of my acting. It's the lightest weight on my shoulders. Suraj's first job was given to him by me 31 years back. He was an assistant on the sets of Saransh, and he was standing in the corner being the producer's son, and nobody was giving him work. And I was a newcomer, and I saw that I knew who I was. I said, Suraj, please मेरे कमरे में जाके मेरे dialogue की फाइल लेकर आओ. I've never seen an eager guy to do a job. 31 years later, his eagerness has not changed at all. I think I personally feel that when you want to purify yourself as a person, you go and do a Rajshri film. It cleanses you not only as an actor, and you were asking whether how does he manage? There is no management. It just happens. हमारे मन में
Kher Saab, Alvira, my sister, went for all the narrations and the clothing and fittings and everything. She used to come back and she said, I have to meet Suraj every 15-20 days.
Really?
So 15-20 days I'm fine with mom, I'm fine with dad, I'm fine with my husband, my children, and then I start fading out. And then I realized, no, this is not working. Where is Suraj Barjatya? I need my drug.
And every member is of his family. Everybody, Kamal Babu and Raj Babu, everybody, his wife, his sisters, everybody is like that. They have stopped making people like that. So I think, it's not the color, it's I think his heart which is in his film. That you're not listening to my answer. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Listen to my answer. Listen to my next answer. You'll ask me a question, listen to my till then look at me.
I apologize.
No, so it's I want to tell media, friends from media that I finished the dubbing today, and I tweeted, and I want to reiterate and say that again, that this is his masterpiece. This is Salman's best film till today, and this is Suraj's best film. And you're very lucky, my young lady, to be part of this film. You're my friend's daughter, and we are all very lucky to be part of this film, because when history of cinema will be written, Suraj Barjatya's name will be on the top of it.
High praise and well deserved. Neil, was this a meditation camp for you as well?
Well, I guess so. Yes, because initially for the first couple of days I thought this was it was a set that I was just going on to, and these guys weren't real, because we're so used to, from assistant direction days to acting days, to see a set with so much chaos on it, to going on to a set where the director is so calm. So initially I thought it was all a big lie, till I realized that no, I am the lie who's come on the set, and this is the fact, this is reality.
So, well done. Though you try to break tradition by wearing something not traditional at the event, so it works.
Yeah.
Slightly different, yeah?
Just trying.
Right next to you, what a contrast. I love the shoes, love the outfit. ये आपके लिए meditation camp है?
इतने sincere चीज बोल रहा था मैं सूरज बाबू के बारे में, और जूते ने डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया मेरे को, मतलब कि मैं बोला कि भाई इसका लाइसेंस है कि नहीं पहनने का, ये देखो.
But I don't know whether they can see this. अरमान सर एक बारी पैर ऐसे करो ना. कैसा रहा?
I would actually like to start by saying thank you to Suraj sir, Salman bhai, for giving me this opportunity. I always wanted to be a part of the Rajshris and Suraj Barjatyas since I've seen Maine Pyar Kiya. It's been a pleasure being a part of this. There are no words that I can express. This has been one of the best production houses that I've worked with, the best director that I've worked with, and of course the best actor right here.
And that's a lot to say because he's worked with his father a lot.
Yeah, exactly.
Home production से ज़्यादा ये home production है.
I've enjoyed it thoroughly, and I wish that Suraj ji and Raj Productions gives me a chance again.
Wonderful. You know, I love this guy, and I hope that he continues to get so much work. Big round of applause for Deepak Dogriya and for Swara Bhaskar as well. So happy to see good talent get great situations. अभी मैं आपको ना इसके साथ में कुछ पूछवाने वाला हूँ. सलमान सर सामने हैं. मैं जब सलमान सर को देखता हूँ तो यूं हो जाते हैं हम लोग, यार सर हम पर भी मेहरबान हो जाए. तो आप तो सर के साथ आगे थे, तो पता है ये एक्सपीरियंस. सलमान सर अभी वैसे भी पहले पूरी जो पिक्चर.
देखिए ऐसा है कि यार मैं अलग अलग किस्म की फिल्में कर रहा हूँ. लोग ऑफ बीट सिनेमा की बात करते हैं, वर्ल्ड सिनेमा की बात करते हैं. मैं सिर्फ एक बात ये पूछना चाहता हूँ किसी भी एक आम शख्स से कि वो पहली फिल्म है, वो पहली फिल्म कौन सी है जो आपने अपने पैसों से देखी? तो मेरी वो पहली फिल्म है मैंने प्यार किया। वहां से मेरी जर्नी शुरू होती है और मैं 17 बार देख चुका था, 16 बार देख चुका था और 17वीं बार देखने के लिए मेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे। तो मैंने अपनी हिस्ट्री की और हिंदी की बुक्स तराजू पे रख दी थी और ₹2.5 मिला था और मैंने 17वीं बार वो फिल्म देखी थी। तो आज मैं उसी टीम के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ, राष्ट्रीय और सलमान भाई के साथ, और ये मेरा सौभाग्य है और बहुत ही मज़ा आया और फैमिली है पूरी और प्यार ही प्यार है इस फिल्म में।
वो तो सर पूरा दिख ही रहे, बहुत खूबसूरत एनवायरनमेंट है और खूबसूरती के साथ हम खत्म तो नहीं कर रहे, लेकिन स्वरा beautiful setup, it's looking fantastic. It just feels nice to be part of such a huge setup. So you've been traveling all over, you're seeing all kinds of cinema, and now Salman sir ka jadoo along with Suraj ji.
I think Sonam talked about कैसे बचपन से उनका सपना था सलमान सर की हीरोइन बनने का, and I think इंडिया में हर लड़की का होता है। मेरा ही दिमाग शायद थोड़ा खराब था कि सलमान सर की बहन बनने का सपना देखा मैंने शायद। No, I'm just joking. I'm very proud and honored to be here. I think that perhaps it's a very good-looking film. Suraj sir's film, Salman sir's film, Rajshri Productions. Everything is beautiful and big. I think they've had to work the hardest on making me look beautiful and part of this family. So, but I think that it's been wonderful. And मुझे याद है एक दिन हम एक song shoot कर रहे थे and मैं खड़ी हुई थी और सेटअप चल रहा था एंड सूरज सर वाज स्टैंडिंग नेक्स्ट टू मी एंड आई जस्ट हैड एक वो मोमेंट होता है ना रियलाइजेशन का कि दिल्ली से उठ के एक लड़की आ गई एंड आई एम लाइक शिट यार मैं सलमान खान की फिल्म में हूँ, सूरज बरजात्या मुझे डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं, क्या बात है। So that's really how I feel about this.
Casting was the most difficult because
don't tell the story. It is not a flattering story.
ये स्टोरी वो मीडिया को जरूर बताना, लेकिन no film is complete, especially your films without music. And I know that Bhushan ji walked back over there. Bhushan ji, can we call you back on stage so that you also may be able to speak? Yes, there is a spot for you, sir. Now, Bhushan ji, this pressure is the most on music. क्योंकि पहले फिल्म म्यूजिक से ही बिकती है. Let's put it that way. People love the film with the music, and उसके बाद teasers आते हैं, promos आते हैं. So you've got a great eye for music, and you managed to make this empire with that. Being attached with Suraj ji also and Salman sir, of course, just an experience of that.
This is my first time to Suraj ji और राष्ट्रीय प्रोडक्शन के साथ I'm working, so I'm very very thankful to them कि first time उन्होंने मुझे अपना म्यूज़िक मार्केट करने का मौका दिया. हमेशा वो सुपर गाने बनाते हैं और सलमान खान की फिल्म के लिए आपको म्यूज़िक की ज़रूरत वैसे नहीं होती है ओपनिंग के लिए, लेकिन गाने बहुत अच्छे हैं, फिल्म के साथ बहुत अच्छे जाते हैं, मेलोडियस हैं. So I'm very very excited about the whole thing.
I'm excited as well. I'm going to open up to the entire media. And if you can find the mics that are with you all. See, there are 11 on stage, so just stand up and ask. The mics? Okay. Okay. So, first question.
Yeah, hi, I am from the Buzz Diary. My question is for Salman sir.
One second. That's Samaira Rao, again one of our key actors. Now she's here, so just
big round of applause. You should have put that on. Yeah, go ahead. Buzz Diary.
Yeah,
Go back.
my question is to Salman sir. Nobody plays Prem better than you. And you have played so many characters of Prem. Which is your favorite?
When Suraj Bharjatya directs me as Prem, that is by far the best Prem I've ever done. Because you see him in me, you don't see me. So what you see of me is all him.
Thank you.
Suraj sir, this is Urvi here. To your
Extreme left, sir.
To your left.
Yeah, top
Right.
left.
Sir, recently Salman sir had said at the Hero trailer launch that one Suraj has always supported him and he wants to support another Suraj. What do you have to say about this compliment about Salman that he has given?
he keeps saying this every time. But I've done nothing. I was nothing, he was nothing. Both of us had nothing to lose, nothing to win. Maybe it is the S that we share in our first names. I don't know.
My name is Anupam.
There's one girl, Shabina Dutt, who I cannot forget, who told me one day that there is a boy,
Shabana.
Shabana Dutt. There's a boy I've done an ad with. Maybe you like him as a hero. But honestly, Maine Pyar Kiya, he's here in front of me, not because of the actor, but because of that human being. Precisely, and that's what he is.
Salman con man.
Because of the person he is. So that's his credit. He is today much beyond all of us, but that's what he is. So this Suraj, that's always in his mind.
सूरज जी, यहाँ बैठे सारे लोगों ने कहा कि भारतीयता आपकी फिल्मों में रती बती रहती है, लेकिन जो आपने अनकंडीशनल लव की बात कही या जो प्रेम की परिभाषा, वो आज की भागती दौड़ती जिंदगी में उतनी मासूम और खूबसूरत है जितनी आपकी फिल्मों में दिखाई देती है।
बस मैडम यही जंग है, because if you see we are all the same. At the bottom of our heart we are all the same. बस वो ऐसी भागा दौड़ी में we forget the simple things in life. So that is my biggest quest, to get back that values in some way or the other, not to let it, when I have this cast and when I have this subject where I can say it, I don't want to lose it. Because finally at the end of, as you grow older and older, you realize that how happy your children are, that is all that matters.
आगे का एक्सटेंशन ये है कि आपके ऊपर इतना प्रेशर होता है, आप कैप्टन ऑफ द शिप हैं, और जैसा कि इन लोगों ने बताया कि आप बहुत शांति से, बहुत खूबसूरती से सारे चीज़ों को हैंडल कर रहे थे, तो वो किस तरह से कर पाया?
बहुत मैंने भी हीरोइनों को रुलाया है, आज के मैंने बहुत सब किया। नहीं, अब after all this, then you realize when actually मैंने doesn't remember.
No, I don't remember. What happened?
So I've done all that, but finally I realized कि चीखने चिल्लाने से कुछ नहीं होता. Because finally it is always, you have to have, we all human beings, we all have our moods and everything. Finally it is the creation. We all fighting actually to create. Correct. So it doesn't matter if someone loses temper.
Salman?
Yes, he yelled.
Salman
In
from...
Maine Pyar Kiya, he yelled. His yelling ka, no, please don't do this now.
Salman, towards your left hand.
Salman, you just praised Suraj ji. Can we say that Suraj ji gets the best out of you as an actor?
As a person, and that translates in screen.
And one quality that you have imbibed as Prem in you?
See, all the movies that I'm doing right now is like when you see a Suraj Barjatya film and you come out of the theatre, you know, you want to be that person. So while doing 150, 200 days of a movie, I try and get as much of that character into my own personality.
Salman sir, another question.
Rekha to Sonam, you worked with so many heroines. What do you have to say working with all of them?
Rekha ji was my bhabhi in the movie.
Fine, even as a bhabhi.
When she becomes my bhabhi, then I will tell.
Salman sir, towards your left. You played Prem 16 years back and you're returning back as Prem, as Suraj sir's Prem now. In these few years, you've played different characters and you've tasted supreme success. How much have you missed being Prem? People have missed you as Prem on screen. How much
I
have
miss
you missed?
being Prem so much that I did a film called Ready with Anees Bazmi. We tried to make it a Suraj Barjatya film, but Anees Bazmi kind of comedy. And I was called Prem in the film.
And how much have you missed being Suraj sir's Prem?
That much, that's why he did that film.
Naya.
Hi Salman.
My question is to Bhushan sir.
One sec. Yeah, so we'll stick to that. We'll stick to that left zone and then come to the yeah, go.
Music has played a very important role in all Suraj Barjatya films. And this film has 9 songs and you just have 40 days for the release. So how do you plan to market the music of the film?
We are planning every week now. Every week one song we are planning. So yeah, 5.
And when can we expect the full album to be out?
10th of October.
Thank you.
5 months after the release. The film is still in the theaters and not getting tickets.
Hi, my question is to Salman. Salman, in this film,
Actually, to the right.
in this film, we see you in two avatars. One is the innocent Prem, and one is a fighter who we hear is Vijay. Is that true? Do we get to see you in a double role in this film?
See, all these lying सवाल सूरज बढ़ जाते हैं उनके लिए.
हेलो मेरा सवाल सुनो.
Wait, you need to see the film. For that, I mean that's our film. We can't open a film. You know, we're not going to say there's one character, two characters, three characters. We're just going to say that you need to go and see the film.
Salman, also while you were shooting this film.
So please remember that, and then do not let the difficult time hamper the release of the film, because we worked a lot on that in that difficult time on that film. And I'm still going through it. No, I keep on going through it. That's my share of karma.
हेलो सोनम जी, आरती सक्सेना.
अरे सवाल पूछो.
आपका
शरद सक्सेना साहब से कहे.
आरती जी आप दिखाई नहीं दे रही. Can you? She's again on the left side.
हेलो सोनम जी, मेरा सवाल ये है कि आपका बचपन से ड्रीम था सलमान जी के साथ काम करने का, तो जब वो आपके सामने थे फर्स्ट सीन में, तो आपका क्या रिएक्शन था?
एक छोटी सी कहानी मैं आपको बोलूँगी. मैं करीब 14 साल की थी और सलमान सर डैड के साथ एक फिल्म करते थे. आई थिंक स्पेशल अपीयरेंस. और मैं यूजुअली
बाद में अनिल कपूर साहब मेरे दोस्त थे, मैं सर हो गए.
और मैं यूजुअली उनके सेट पे मुझे आई वाज़न्ट अलाउड कि वो बोलते थे कि यू नॉट अलाउड टू कम ऑन सेट और ये वो. बट आई सेड प्लीज़ अब सलमान खान के साथ शूट कर रहे हैं, प्लीज़ मुझे आने दो. द फर्स्ट एंड ओनली टाइम आई बीन ऑन अ फिल्म सेट, नॉट इवन ऑन अ फिल्म सेट, आई वाज सिटिंग इन द वैन and I get to see Salman Khan. He sat with me for around an hour. He doesn't remember this, and he's spoken to me. And obviously, I must have traumatized him. But
can we ask you what you guys chatted on?
I have no idea.
I met her one day. We all went for a family holiday. We went to Goa. I saw this one person sitting in front of me at the age of 14, 15, as Salman Khan. I said, "What are you doing?" So I said, "Go change and come back."
He still says that. What are you doing? Go change and come back. That's not
Don't
change.
talk. I said, "You can. Go right now." She got so upset with me.
हेलो सलमान जी, मेरा आपसे सवाल है. यही शरद सक्सेना.
We're very business-like today in the press conference. Reactions to all the answers. I'll do it 10 minutes more. You know, we can react.
प्रेम रतन धन पायो पिक्चर का नाम है, लेकिन असल जिंदगी में लोग सलमान रतन धन पायो पाना चाहते हैं. तो ये जो धन है, ये स्विस बैंक में जाएगा कि ये बड़ी हीरोइन के बैंक में जाएगा, कि एक आम लड़की की जिंदगी में जाएगा?
ये पूरा धन आप अपने में समा सकती हैं.
नहीं, मुझे इसका सही जवाब.
कैमरास उधर पॉइंट करो, फिर समझ में आएगा.
नहीं, मेरे पास मेरा सलमान है.
और अगर थोड़ा सा कुछ बच गया तो बांट देना.
नहीं, प्लीज अगर आप जवाब देंगे तो थोड़ा अच्छा लगेगा.
सलमान जी, शैलेंद्र.
जवाब.
इतना पॉज हो गया कि मैं सवाल ही भूल गया.
ये हीरोइंस या आम लड़कियां, इसमें से कहाँ ये सलमान धन जाएगा?
स्विस बैंक में तो नहीं जाएगा. ये ऑप्शन अपन बाद में डिसाइड करेंगे.
सलमान जी, शैलेंद्र सिंह, न्यूज नेशन से. मुख्य रत्न है.
इतने बड़े स्टार हैं.
नहीं, आप प्रेम रतन धन के मुख्य रत्न हैं. पीएम मोदी ने 9 रत्नों में से एक रत्न आपको चुना था स्वच्छ भारत अभियान के दौरान. आपने स्वच्छ भारत अभियान के लिए क्या किया और आप अपने काम से, उस काम से कितने सेटिस्फाइड हैं? सलमान जी, प्लीज आप जरा इस पे.
सर, आप मुझे ट्विटर पे फॉलो करते हो?
बिल्कुल फॉलो करता हूं, लेकिन मैं सुनना चाहता हूं सर.
नहीं सर, अगर आप मुझे ट्विटर पे फॉलो करते हो तो फिर अगर आपका मायना ये है सवाल से कि वो सिर्फ एक फोटो सेशन था, नहीं सर. हम लोग हर महीने 11 लोगों को 100 लोगों को नॉमिनेट करते हैं और 11 लोगों को कुछ ना कुछ हमारी तरफ से गिफ्ट दिया जाता है।
सर कितने सेटिस्फाइड हैं? नहीं, अपने काम से आप कितने सेटिस्फाइड हैं स्वच्छ भारत अभियान से?
सर ये अभी तो शुरुआत है सर, आगे आगे देखो होता है क्या सर।
थैंक यू।
मैंने स्टार्ट किया था लेकिन बीइंग ह्यूमन ने इसको हमारे लिए एक इनिशिएटिव ले लिया है और ये अब हमारा हो गया। स्टार्ट उन्होंने किया था, उन्हीं का है, लेकिन हम जो कर रहे हैं वो हम कर रहे हैं।
हेलो सलमान एंड सोनम, मेरा सवाल आप दोनों से है। ज़्यादा करके सूरज जी की फिल्मों में जो भी लीड कैरेक्टर होता है वो बहुत ही बेहतरीन तरीके से फैमिली लाइफ और प्रोफेशनल लाइफ हैंडल कर पाता है। तो मैं जानना चाहूँगी क्या रियल लाइफ में भी आप इतनी अच्छी तरह से बैलेंस कर पाते हैं जो कैरेक्टर्स वो पोर्ट्रे करते हैं?
माइक
ऑडियो के बारे में ज़्यादा बात नहीं करती।
ऑडियो
I don't know. I try my very best to be the best person that I can.
सवाल भूल गए।
My personal life.
How do you balance family and personal life? Oh, sorry, personal and professional life.
There is no difference between any of them for me because I work with friends, I work with family, and if I don't know them, I make sure that I make them friends and family. So it's otherwise you can't be happy and you can't give it your best till the time you don't like the people that you're working with. If you don't like somebody, then you don't do the movie. But if you like the movie so much, then you make sure that you get along with everybody in the sense. ताजमहल मोहब्बत से बनता है, नफरत से थोड़ी बनता है।
अच्छा,
सवाल सूरज जी से है कि
पहले लेडीज और फिर उनका। हाँ बोलिए।
आपकी हर फिल्म प्रेम के बिना पूरी नहीं होती, वैसे ही आपकी हर फिल्म में आलोक नाथ जी नजर आते हैं, इस फिल्म में वो कहीं नजर नहीं आ रहे।
आलोक जी के रूप में हमारे पास खेर साहब आ गए।
मैं हमेशा से था।
डबल रोल कर रहे खेर साहब।
नहीं, बाकी रोल ही नहीं था, बहुत कोशिश की।
कोशिश की आलोक जी ने मेरा रोल करने की।
अनुपम सर,
Oh, there's no Monish as well this time. There's no Monish as well.
Anupam sir, you have worked with a lot of being human in your eyes.
Well, I don't want to make comparative studies, but I think Salman is complete heart. And I was working with him in this film after a long gap. And the kind of evolved person that he is, the kind of real person, you can't fake it for a long time. You can't, the whole world cannot say that you are a nice person and you can't fake it. So I think he's very real. He actually listens to you. He doesn't pretend that he's listening to you. And I'm very happy and very fortunate that I've worked with him in terms of him as a person. And when you know Salman as a person, you feel a richer person. So we are all richer people over here, and that's the way kind of person he is. And I think it's very difficult in this profession to be for such a long time and to be real. It's the most difficult thing. And the more successful he's becoming, the more real and more human he's becoming.
Salman, going back in time.
So we'll wrap up here.
I also want to, on this note, I want to, just one sec. You see, we are on a, Suraj ji ne baat shuru ki thi, and since I think I'm the senior most apart from Kumar, I want to thank each and every unit member of this film. All the assistant directors on behalf of all of us, all the camera assistants, all the light boys, all the spot boys. It is their vibrations which has made this film fantastic. So thank you to all of them on behalf of all of us for making this film work.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We'll continue this. You all will all have individual opportunities eventually later as well.
साइलेंस। अरे माइक है तो माइक उठाना। माइक यूज कर।
Drawing comparisons with the posters with Sanjay Leela Bhansali, Sanjay दे चुके हैं। Do you find any resemblance at all?
आपका एड्रेस पूछ रहे हैं मन में ही है।
That was a nice poster as well. Oh, acha. Oh. That was a really nice poster, and this is also really beautiful. I think very pretty.
All right, guys, thank you. We'll just finish off with a photo op, sir. If you could all come in front.
अजहर तू पहले खड़े हो जा, चेयर पे खड़े हो, चेयर पे, ये मोबाइल, ये अजहर थोड़ा नीचे होना, तेरे आगे कोई नहीं है, थोड़ा नीचे होना, हाँ ऐसा होना।
चाइना मोबाइल
इतना पब्लिक है तो इसी किधर इतना जन को झेलेगा। मुंबई जी, ये माइक का दारू पी
नील को तो रविवार को पूछा ही नहीं।
अरे भी कोई नहीं पूछता है क्या?
देखो ना अभी पूछ रहा हूँ।
बैठना यार, कितना लेगा? बैठ जा रहा है, बैठ जा रहा है।
अरे बैठ जाए बाबा, ये मुंबई सिटी, ये मुंबई सिटी,
मुंबई सिटी,
ये डेमो डेमो डेमो,
ये डेमो बाबा।
गणेश बस ना, गणेश, अरे यार बैठना भाई, क्या कर रहा है?
ये बैठ रहे अभी, बैठ के नहीं,
अरे बैठो, ये स्टील
सामने आ रहा है यार,
ये बैठ रहे आगे। ये राकेश कितना अच्छा लग रहा है।
अरे बहुत हो रहे।
Check. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we'll just finish off. Okay, straight, right, and then left. Should we try that? Okay, right side everyone right now. सब right की तरफ देखें और आप सब straight देखें please. Straight.
ये मिलिन,
अरे रुको ना. और अब सब left की तरफ देखें please. Thank you very much. Surajji, Salman and Sonam, we have to move upstairs to Audi 4. Thank you so much ladies and gentlemen for joining us. The rest of the cast members, thank you very much.
अरे बैठो, बैठो।
लोग जा रहे ऊपर फाइन शॉट के साथ। खड़ा क्यों है आज? ये भाई,
अरे बैठो रे बाबा। ये भाई वाइल निकाल ले, हाँ क्या?
आगे वाला देखना।
पप्पी जी,
आप वो पप्पी जी देख सकते हैं।
ये मोबाइल,
चाइना मोबाइल,
वही तो है इसमें अलग। ये भाई थोड़ा नीचे करना, फिर आगे कोई नहीं देख, बस सड़क।
सोलो सोलो।
अरे हटना यार, अरे यार क्या कर रहे तुम लोग?
चलो थैंक यू।
थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू।